Have you ever started yawning immediately after seeing somebody else yawn nearby? Scientists say contagious yawning is actually a real psychological and biological reaction. Your brain automatically copies actions it sees other people doing around you every day. Researchers believe contagious yawning may actually be connected to empathy and human emotions. People who are emotionally closer usually spread yawns more easily between each other. Scientists discovered some dogs actually yawn after watching humans yawn in front of them. Some scientists think yawning may have helped early humans communicate tiredness and group behavior. And honestly, you probably yawned at least once during this entire video already.